Turning your regular bike into a powerful e-bike is easier than ever, but choosing the right conversion kit can be confusing. Weak motors, poor battery life, and complicated installation can ruin the experience. The best e-bike kits should offer strong performance, reliable batteries, and smooth riding assistance. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best e-bike conversion kits you can buy right now, perfect for commuting, off-road adventures, or daily rides. We reviewed specs, performance, and user feedback to build this list. Check the description for links and latest prices. Number 5. BAFANG Mid Drive Kit BBSHD/BBSO2B. The BAFANG Mid Drive Kit is one of the most popular e-bike conversion options, offering much-needed performance with 500-watt, 750-watt, and 1,000-watt motor choices. Its mid-drive design delivers better weight balance and efficient power transfer compared to hub motors. Paired with 13Ah, 17.5Ah, and 20Ah Halong batteries, it provides excellent range for long rides. The brushless motor ensures smooth and quiet operation, while pedal assist enhances riding comfort. Ideal for commuters and off-road riders who want strong torque and reliable performance. Number 4. 20-inch 36-volt 250-watt front wheel kit. This 20-inch front wheel e-bike conversion kit is a great entry-level option for smaller bikes or city commuters. Powered by a 36-volt 250-watt hub motor, it delivers speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour while maintaining energy efficiency. The included LED display allows you to monitor speed and battery status easily. Installation is simple since it replaces the front wheel, making it beginner-friendly. Lightweight and practical, it's perfect for daily commuting, short trips, and riders who want an affordable upgrade. Number 3. 28-inch 48-volt 1,000-watt rear wheel kit. The 28-inch 48-volt 1,000-watt rear wheel conversion kit offers a strong balance of speed and power. Designed for standard bicycles, it delivers high torque and smooth acceleration, making it suitable for both city rides and light off-road use. The rear hub motor ensures better traction and stability compared to front wheel kits. With durable construction and reliable performance, it handles longer distances with ease. A great option for riders looking to upgrade their bike into a powerful and versatile e-bike. Number 2. 26-inch 48-volt 1,500-watt rear hub kit. If you need serious power, the 26-inch 48-volt 1,500-watt rear hub motor kit is built for performance. Designed for fat tire bikes and snow bikes, it delivers strong torque and excellent traction on rough terrain. The LCD display provides detailed ride data, including speed, battery, and assist levels. This kit is perfect for off-road adventures, steep climbs, and heavy-duty use. With its high-wattage motor and durable design, it transforms your bike into a powerful, all-terrain e-bike. Number 1 is the Varstrom Tongsheng TSD Z2B Mid-Motor Kit. The Varstrom Tongsheng TSD Z2B takes the top spot thanks to its advanced torque sensor technology. Unlike basic kits, it adjusts motor assistance based on your pedaling force, delivering a smooth and natural riding experience. Available in 500-watt, 750-watt, and 1,000-watt options with 48-volt batteries up to 20Ah, it offers excellent performance and range. The mid-drive system ensures balanced weight distribution and efficient climbing ability. Perfect for riders who want a premium, responsive, and realistic e-bike feel. Upgrading your bike with an e-bike conversion kit is a smart way to boost speed, power, and convenience. Whether you prefer mid-drive efficiency or hub motor simplicity, these top picks offer great performance and value. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.